How to install GeoLayers 3 in After Effects. In this video, I will show you how to install GeoLayers 3 in After Effects. This plugin is amazing for working with maps, locations, and geographic data directly inside your projects. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the official website ascript.com. You can also add /geolayers in order for you to access GeoLayers 3 fast. But Escript.com is where GeoLayers 3 is available to download. You can just search for GeoLayers 3 in the search bar and open its product page, in which you will be able to see it like this. From here, you can just purchase the full license, or if you want to try it first, you'll go ahead and click on try and choose the trial version. After that, you can just download the zip file that contains the installer. After downloading, you can locate the zip file on your computer and extract it. Inside the folder, you'll see the installer file for both Windows and Mac. Double-click the correct installer for your operating system to begin installation. After following the on-screen step in the installer, it will automatically detect your Adobe After Effects installation and place the necessary files into the script and plug-in folders. If it asks for a custom path, make sure you select your After Effects directory. Once the installation finishes, restart After Effects and then check if the GeoLayers 3 installed correctly. You can just open After Effects and go to the Windows menu and look for GeoLayers 3 in the extension list. Click it and the panel should open on your workspace. Now you're ready to start using it. With GeoLayers 3, you can import maps, create animation based on real-world data, and customize the style of your maps directly inside After Effects. It is a powerful tool for motion graphics and infographics. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.